If you've ever tried to fill out interactive forms or use certain advanced features in Adobe Acrobat and things just aren't working as expected, there's a good chance JavaScript is turned off. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to enable JavaScript in Adobe Acrobat step by step. By the end, you'll know how to unlock those dynamic document features, making your PDF smarter and more efficient, whether you're working with forms, automated actions, or other interactive tools. Let's get started. First, open up Adobe Acrobat. Just launch the app like you normally do for reading or editing a PDF. If you're not sure you have the right version, this method works for most modern versions, both Standard and Pro. You don't need a document open for this. We're focusing on the app's underlying settings. Now look for the menu at the top of your screen. On Windows, this is usually the familiar Edit menu right in the toolbar. On Mac, it might just say Acrobat next to the Apple logo. Click on the menu and then select Preferences. Preferences is where Acrobat stores all of the customizable settings, from display options to security controls. If you're wondering why we're going here, it's because JavaScript controls aren't in the toolbar or document window, they live in the app's preferences. Take a slow scroll through the preference categories list that pops up on the left. There's quite a few. What you're looking for is JavaScript. It isn't always at the very top, so don't worry if you have to scan down the list. JavaScript here refers specifically to the scripts Acrobat uses inside PDFs to create interactivity, like validating form fields or automating tasks. When you find JavaScript, click on it to bring up the JavaScript Options panel. Now you'll see a few choices, but the one we're interested in is labeled Enable Acrobat JavaScript. This option needs to be checked for dynamic PDF features to work properly. If you notice the checkbox isn't selected, that means JavaScript is currently disabled in Acrobat. Why does that matter? Well, with JavaScript off, features like automatic calculations, custom error messages, and certain button actions in your PDFs just won't work. Picture it like flipping a light switch. If it's off, all those advanced tools stay dark. So go ahead and click the checkbox to enable it. You might feel a bit unsure here, but don't worry. Enabling JavaScript in Acrobat is usually safe as long as you're using trusted documents. If for some reason Acrobat asks for confirmation or you see a warning, just make sure you're comfortable with your PDF sources and continue. This part only takes a moment. After you've checked Enable Acrobat JavaScript, go ahead and click OK at the bottom of the Preferences window to save your changes. That's it. Acrobat is now set to run JavaScript, so the next time you open a dynamic form or interact with a PDF that uses scripts, everything should function as intended. And there you have it. Your Adobe Acrobat is ready to handle interactive PDFs much more smoothly. If something doesn't work immediately, try restarting Acrobat to make sure the new settings take effect. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, give the video a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or need advice with Acrobat settings. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more clear, easy-to-follow tech tutorials. See you in the next one.